My teacher used to say that two people never learn, the arrogant one and the shy one. I've never forgotten this lesson. If you are arrogant, you think you know everything, so there is nothing we can teach you. But similarly, if you are shy and you never express your feelings, fears and worries, we also can't help you. I always tell my students that when it comes to learning a new language, you haven't got time to be shy. Now, it's perfectly normal to feel self-conscious when you're learning a new language. I know. I've tried to learn a new language and many people have laughed at me. If you didn't feel uncomfortable, then you wouldn't be human. But shall I tell you the best way to get out of this negative state of mind? Learn to laugh at yourself. Be a little silly. Stop worrying about what people think. Learn to laugh at yourself. Get the embarrassment out of the way and don't mistake the laughter people have when they hear you speaking English as them laughing at you. They're not laughing at you. Have you never laughed at someone who has said something incorrectly? I still say things incorrectly and I'm a native speaker of English. We all find it funny when people make mistakes learning a new language because what comes natural to us isn't natural for them yet. It's like watching a baby learning their first words. We all find it cute and silly, but you are not a baby. You are an adult, and life will throw many embarrassing moments your way. There was a guru who once said that being human is an embarrassing condition. Just go on TikTok to verify this. In my experience though, most people are eager to help and teach you if you make a mistake in English. But they will only do so if you ask them. If you are too shy, you lose out on an opportunity to learn. Try this the next time someone laughs at your English. Laugh with them, but then say, "Sorry, did I say something wrong there? What is the correct way to say that?" Take it as a free lesson. Trust me, it is the lessons you learn when you feel most embarrassed that will be the lessons you remember for the rest of your life. So stop being shy, be humble, and be open to humiliation. It's all part of the journey. Get over it. Get over yourself. You haven't got time to waste. Worrying only leads to anxiety, and the anxious person can never learn anything. So conquer your self-conscious feelings and let go. Be humble, but not shy.